In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram photos not loading. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, launch Instagram. Completely close it and again relaunch it. Likewise, navigate to profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down and log out of your account. Wait for a few seconds and log in back. This will refresh your session data. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check the server status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in Instagram server status and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, Town Detector. Now, if you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until these servers are restored. Lastly, if this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.